How to fix and solve account not found on TikTok. Hello everyone, my name is Smile, and in this video I'm gonna show you how you can solve this very problem of yours. So if this thing happens to you, then the very first step is to go to the setting option and you will see on a screen like this. Now go to the very apps option from the screen where you will see all the applications. Now tap for the TikTok here. Now make sure you go to the storage option and delete all the data and delete all the cache from here. After you do that, open and reinstall your TikTok. Now when you reinstall your TikTok, you need to go to the login section where you can tap your phone number or email and send the verification code to all the TikToks you had made till date, and it will show you the list of TikToks you have made from your phone number or Google account. And doing so, you can simply choose the TikTok account and the verification code and then solve and change the password and open your TikTok. That's how you can solve your problem. Hope you like the video. And if you like the video, then please do hit the thumbs up and subscribe button and also comment in the comment section below. Thank you for watching.